love Earth. Oh, holy.
Octavia, what the hell are you doing?
Octavia! We can't swim.
No, but we can stand. Wait, there's not supposed to be a river here.
Well, there is. So take off your damn clothes.
Octavia, get out of the water. Get out of the water now! Octavia! What the hell is that?
Left the hell.
What are you gonna do?
Try not to get eaten.
No, wait. If we distracted him, I let her go. Help me!
It worked. I'll let her go.
Octavia, get to the shore now! I got you!
It's coming back. It's headed right for you guys.
Come on! Come on! Keep moving!
You're gonna be okay.
Note to self. Next time, save the girl.